You tell me when you're ready.
I'm good.
A kitchen is a great place to build a uniqueness into your home and have it a very fun place to work and entertain. I'm Dan Steiner. This is my dog Jackson, and I'm with Steiner Homes Limited, and we just want to show you a few of the things that we're doing in our kitchens and make it fun and affordable. One of the things we're doing is custom making a brain shed. We design this and make it ourselves, which keeps it affordable. We have gone to using craft-made cabinets, our well-made cabinet, like dovetail drawers, they have wood sides, easy close drawers, and we just loved working with craft-made on this. In this kitchen, we went to making our own island. So we've made an island that really fits today's trends and what's going on, and we had this custom-made bar trim guide. It's a really cool feature. So if you'd like more information, go to our website at Steiner Homes Ltd. and look at some of the different things we're doing.